Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to open all bookmarks in one time in Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open Google Chrome browser and then you have to sign in into your Gmail account here, and then click on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and click on bookmarks. And here you can see my bookmarks list showing up here. Total I have bookmarked 3 websites. To open all this website at one, click above any of them, then select all your bookmarks, and now click on this 3 dot icon and click on open in a new tab. And here you can see all bookmarks have been opened in one time. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.